How to enable or disable Require Siri for interruptions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and in here, tap on Siri. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Require Siri for interruptions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. In here say, when this is on, you have to say Siri or Hi Siri to interrupt a Siri response. So if you want to be able to interrupt a Siri response, you can switch this feature on. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.